Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I've got Ken here with an incredibly beautiful 1950 3100 Chevy truck. Ken, welcome to my show.
Nice to be here.
Excellent.
Pleasure.
Tell me a bit about your truck.
It's a it's a new truck to me. I've had it since last year. I've always been looking for one basically, and I ran across this one the way it's basically sitting.
Yeah.
It's just got a little 350 horsepower Chevy engine in it. Last winter we put a 700 R4 transmission into it for easier and more cruising on the highway type of thing. I guess I had a passion for the pickups because I'm in that age era, I guess. So, if that makes sense to anybody.
It does make sense. Makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Obviously not the factory original color. I mean, this is a beautiful paint job.
You're right.
What color is this?
They call it a Porsche Red.
Okay.
I've been trying to track down which year, but it's almost like this Nova next door here.
Very much like the Nova. Yeah, I was just saying that.
It's very close.
So if it's Porsche Red, it's probably closer to the Guards Red that Porsche used.
Could be.
Which is a stunning color. It looks amazing on this truck, especially with your tan interior, two-tone interior. It looks great. Chevy, how much horsepower is that putting out right now?
It's a 350 cubic inch with 350 horsepower.
350 horsepower?
Yeah.
Wow. What does the truck weigh, do you know?
No, not offhand.
It can't be more than about 28 to 3,000 pounds.
Yeah, probably 3, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
But like I say, they're light vehicles as it is. So
they are.
It scoots along pretty good.
Yeah.
Like seriously.
Absolutely. Drives good, obviously. It's a modern engine. Modern transmission, differential, everything's modern in it.
Yeah, it's all up to date. Yeah. So it's a nice cruiser.
Absolutely. Yeah. Tires on this obviously are big. What's on here, front and back?
Well, they're 17-inch front and back.
Yeah.
There's 2 1/4, 60, 17-inch on the front, 255s on the back, 60.
Okay. Yeah.
17-inch.
Yeah.
So it just gives that appropriate setting, I guess, basically, to say the least.
Yeah, it's got a good stance.
That's the word to look for. Yeah, of course.
And the it's lowered. Obviously, it's got adjustable suspension.
No, it doesn't. Okay. But it's been
lowered though.
Yeah, the spindles in the front for sure. Right?
Yeah. And the suspension's not stock, obviously.
No, nothing's really stock on these because getting back to the engine, like who's going to put a 6-cylinder here unless you're going to have an original unit as per se.
Yeah. And it's not really a daily driver. You can't cruise it. It's got very little power. Yeah. This is basically it's a modern drivetrain in a classic body.
Exactly, and a little more dependable, as you say, in driving aspect. Yeah,
absolutely. And the interior, leather interior or vinyl?
Well, it's a little bit of both actually. I don't really know exactly what it is. It's sort of a leather, I guess, but
beautiful interior though. It's all painted dash, metal dash.
Metal dash, yeah. It's original dash, and it's all color coordinated, basically.
Yeah. Looks incredible. It's got a modern CD.
It does.
Why not?
And the face comes up when you're going to use it. Like it's got a screen on it.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to push the buttons and small buttons on the unit itself.
Right. Excellent. And the deck of your, it's a wood lined deck.
It is. I've been told it's a oak wood, I guess.
Yeah, hardwood, Hardwood. Excellent. Anything else? Anything special about the vehicle that's been done to it by you or anybody else that want to talk about?
No, not really. I like I say, the vehicle's new to me, so I don't know all the details about it, but when I bought it, it's for a nice little cruiser. Of course. To come functions like this here, as it is today. So.
Wonderful. You say it's your wife's truck. That's a good line.
that was a little fib, I guess. was.
Yes, it was, for sure. No, it's a beautiful truck, beautiful color. I saw it and I had to come over and talk to you.
Of course, well.
Thank you very much for spending time with me and talking about your truck. I appreciate it.
It was enjoyable. Thanks for letting me share it with you.
Thank you. If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.